Hi, and greetings from MAC, that is Maha Adventure Council, and welcome to Safety Ki Pathshala, a series of video clips. I'm going to touch upon certain aspects that would help clarify the approach of MAC as well as the context of the series of video clips. MAC was formed with the purpose of promoting safety and excellence in the field of adventure. And to achieve this purpose, MAC took initiatives in certain areas. For instance, MAC is reaching out to adventurers, organizers of adventure programs, individual enthusiasts who participate in such programs, and parents who send children on such programs, the adventure programs for kids. Another thing that MAC is doing is formulate safety guidelines for organized adventure programs. And I'm going to speak a bit later more about this. An additional thing that MAC is doing is liaise with government authorities on the issue of regulation and governance. Before we go ahead, it would be good to take note of a certain distinction that MAC has brought in, and that is adventure projects and organized adventure programs. An adventure project is an event where trained and experienced adventurers undertake a challenge by themselves. The pertinent point is the responsibility of safety of everybody involved in this kind of a venture is on themselves. MAC understands, acknowledges, and supports the spirit of adventure, which inherently involves pushing limits. And MAC believes that trained and experienced adventurers are capable of assessing their situation, do appropriate risk management based on their understanding of their own capabilities, and take safe decisions. There are guidelines that adventurers can follow, which have been formulated by respective apex organizations all around the world. Where MAC comes in is organized adventure programs. This is a program conducted by trained and experienced adventurers for participants. And normally, these participants are lesser experienced adventure enthusiasts and beginners. And then, again, pertinent to note is the fact that the responsibility of safety of participants lies with the organizers, the trained and experienced experts who are conducting the program. Developments in many parts of the world have seen safety guidelines getting formulated exactly for organized adventure programs. Learning from these developments, learning from the benefits derived by organizers as well as participants in many parts of the world, MAC has formulated safety guidelines for organized adventure programs. While doing this, MAC has also taken cognizance of developments with apex adventure organizations in India. So, the safety guidelines of MAC and Safety Ki Pathshala series of video clips are both meant for organized adventure programs. Certainly, adventurers and adventure projects can learn quite a lot from both these things. Coming to Safety Ki Pathshala, this series of video clips focuses primarily on three categories of topics. One, equipment, which means its manufacturing, its use, the skills required to use that equipment. Second category is that of minimum impact practices, something that is so important for a country like India, where our environment is not restricted only to the natural component, but also to socio-cultural component. And the third category is where MAC would refer to its own safety guidelines, explain how those guidelines can be used to the benefit of both organizers as well as participants. These video clips aim at creating a clarity about concepts that lie behind certain way of manufacturing equipment, certain recommended way of using that equipment, and certain systems that are to be used in organized adventure programs. And all these things are based on the best practices as are being recommended by safety guidelines all over the world by renowned organizations. MAC believes that with conceptual clarity on such aspects, organizers of adventure programs will be much more enabled to take safe decisions and make their programs very, very effective. Friends, hope you get to know quite a lot from these video clips. Hope you get to learn quite a lot. Do send us your feedback and suggestions for improvement. And the team that we have assembled as of now is by no means the only team that can work on Safety Ki Pathshala. If you feel you have the skills to contribute, please contact us. Most welcome. Thank you.